Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video, it's kind of a maintenance video. That's the ceiling lamp in my kitchen. It's an LED lamp and one of these is broken. And in today's video, I want to fix it, or I try to fix it. So please take this video as only for entertainment. Don't do this at home. It's very dangerous. You're working here with mains voltage. Here in Germany it's 240 volts. So yeah, this can potentially kill you. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So I marked it here, but I will test again. So here goes in mains voltage. That's the ground wire. So yeah, I rigged up a cable here with these Sebago clamps. So to test it, let's plug it in and see. Yeah, so those two are working. This isn't. Okay, I marked the right one. So now let's see if it can be fixed. First I have to get into this. Okay, so this comes off. And yeah, I think I can see the problem here. It's those LED rings, you see. And this one is blown. And I think with these LED things, yeah, if one blows, the whole circuit is interrupted, so yeah. So what can I do? Maybe if I remove the broken ones and bridge this. So this came off, it's burned. That's the broken LED. So yeah, now I try to clean this off here and then let's see. So first I will clean it with a little bit of IPA and cotton bud. Maybe I can reflow those here too. Oh, that's off too. So maybe if I just bridge those contacts, maybe this will work. I don't know if you can order these things, so I put this back on. And hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face. Let's hook it up again and see if this did the trick. Okay. Fingers crossed. And it did. Yeah guys, I hope maybe this is helpful for someone. I don't think it's a lasting repair because yeah, sooner or later those LEDs will fail. I don't know if you can buy those separately. Yeah, maybe I'll look it up, and if I have more time, we'll change them out. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again guys, thanks very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next one. Bye!